Hello everyone! I'm Louis from Softlight.io. Today, I will instruct a new product called FigwebX. This tool is a plugin that transforms Figma designs into page builders without coding. One of its standout features is the integrated multiple platforms. Our integration outputs include Webflow, Elementor, Breakdance, and Gutenberg. To enhance your efficiency in pre-layout, we recommend utilizing this tool to save valuable time. Furthermore, this tool is automatically optimized for mobile and tablet responsiveness. Fully customizable output page builders without any HTML code exports. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the FigwebX dashboard. Create a new project to include your Figma design frames. This project contains conversion tasks. By clicking into this box, you will get a FigwebX control pop-up immediately. Please reach out to our documentation to have essential setups before delving into detail process. Now, move on to your Figma design file. To access your Figma files, we require your approval regarding the publishing status. We strongly recommend creating a duplicate of the original before proceeding with the transformation process. Once you duplicate the item, the new copy will remain in draft status. You'll need to transfer it to a team project in order to publish it. You can create a new team project in Figma file. Then choose your appropriate team project for your new design file. In the next step, transform the authority into an editable format. Click to Share button in the right corner, change access options. Simply change View to Edit. When you share your Figma file, our bot can scan the data and analyze it. This will ensure that you've successfully established the essential components for your Figma files. In this demonstration, we do not use auto layout feature of Figma. For this frame, all elements set up with absolute positions, still not applied auto layout. We will process to convert this landing page design into page builders. You can both click directly on Canvas area or navigator bar of Figma. Locate the frame you wish to work with. Right-click and select Copy Paste As, followed by Copy Link to Selection. This action will copy your design frames to the clipboard in link format. Afterward, proceed to the FigwebX dashboard. Paste your Figma design frame link in the first box. In Page Builder box, you can choose your appropriate output builders. At present, our integration encompasses 5 main popular platforms. To use this tool, make sure that you install the essential setup as in our note. Our plugin will cover some of elements or widgets in outputs. For highlighted feature, you can refer to AI Reduce DOM size. This feature will enhance your output layout by eliminating redundant divs. If your results is not under expectation, please disable this feature. With other controls, you can refer to our documentation for best appropriate configuration. Click on Create and wait for some minutes. You can check the status here. A conversion task is currently in progress. You can simultaneously create multiple tasks. We will demonstrate with multiple output page builders. Once the export processing is completed, you can copy and paste data in the target destination. Go ahead to your page builder's Elementor destination, for example. Right-click directly on Canvas and choose Paste from Other Site option. Confirm the pasting process by Ctrl or Command and V. The data is seamlessly integrated with the native elements of Elementor. With the Elementor core, this tool can reach 70% to 80% compared with the original standard Figma design. In Output Editor, your Figma design transferred into native widgets. You can customize content or anything with Elementor controls. Now, we will check the responsive possibility of FigwebX. The tablet responsive is quite beautiful. In mobile, auto-responsive works perfectly. We used advanced AI to analyze your design and turn it into responsive layouts. Take a note that this design did not apply auto layout of Figma. We believe that this tool will save a lot of time for your projects. We will have a quick look at soft light features. When working in WordPress, plugin installation is necessary. In the general settings, you have the option to enable or disable various features. This feature helps user to upload images or icons automatically into server. After enabling that feature, an icon displays on the right corner. Then you can paste the data of your tasks here. Basically, you just need to add one more step in transferring process. In Bricks Builder, you will get the similar results when converting Figma into builders. In Breakdance, you need to adjust the parent wrapper after pasting the data. Customize the width to full option. And add paddings to 0. This is the results when applying FigwebX and Breakdance. In Webflow, double-click to copy data in FigwebX dashboard. Go ahead into your Webflow, then paste data by Ctrl and V. To upload images or icons to Webflow, you will need to connect by API. For more detail, please reach to our documentation. Let's check the responsive devices in Webflow. A highlighted features when using our tools, you will realize that similar elements classified the same classes. For example, let's check the heading menu. All the elements have the same level and were assigned with a class. This feature will save time when customizing styles. As in bricks, this feature will also apply for native elements. These heading titles have synced with a class. In the coming versions, we will be enhancing features and improving ratio results. We would greatly appreciate it if you could actively engage with this tool and share your feedback with us. If you encounter any issues, please feel free to reach out to us without hesitation.